Hi guys, if you want to hard refresh Chrome on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, right click anywhere on the page and then select the inspect option to open the developer tool. And once the developer tools open, simply right click on the browser's reload icon. And now here select empty cache and hard reload option. Simply click on it. And now all the cache data will be cleared and the Chrome browser will be hard refreshed. And once it is done, simply close the developers tools. To hard refresh Chrome using keyboard shortcuts, you can use any of these two keyboard shortcuts. Either hold down the Control key and then press F5 key on your keyboard, or hold down the Control plus Shift key and then press R key on your keyboard, and the Chrome browser will be hard refreshed. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily hard refresh Chrome on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.